Okay, so this exercise is a seated in, out with the band. Okay, so what I'm doing is just sitting on the edge of a bench or a chair, and I've got a band around my legs right at the spot underneath my knees. Okay, and I'm just taking my feet and I'm going in, out. So I go in with my right foot, in with my left foot, then out with my right foot, out with my left foot. Okay, so I go right in, right out, left out. Okay, and then I switch from instead of doing right, left, I'm going to go left, right. Okay, so I'm just doing these. Now, these can be done slowly or you can try to do them fast. Okay, when you do them slowly, you'll really feel it through that IT band area on the outside of the leg. If you do them fast, it'll be a little bit more for footwork, trying to get really quick with your feet. Okay, so go out, give this a try, and make it a great day.